Okay, with this video I'm going to show you how to edit your schedule once you've entered it into the system. So this is under the assumption that you're a league or tournament manager, have already inputted your schedule into the system, now you want to edit it. So just quickly, where your schedules can be found before editing. If you would go to our league website, it lists all the leagues that Sportsadvisor administers. And you can go to any particular one and you can see the schedule there. And so the goal here is, well, how do I edit this? How do I change the matchups, the time, the gyms, and different things, or maybe delete an entire weekend. To do that, you need to go to the administrator icon or the link in the main menu, and you would go to manage leagues and tournaments. And it would essentially take you to this screen. Now, you'll only be able to edit your own leagues. You can't edit somebody else's leagues. So I'm going to edit leagues from the Eastern Ontario Basketball Association because I'm the administrator for those leagues. I'm going to search, and this lists all the leagues that I've populated onto the site. You can see there's for the Ontario Basketball League, for the West End Basketball League, Central Basketball League, and the PM Basketball Leagues. And what I'm going to select is I'm going to say, well, I want to manage the West End Basketball League. I'll go manage the West End Basketball League. And you can see these are then the divisions associated with that league. It's a little bit the way Sportsadvisor is set up. You have a league or you have a tournament. Within that tournament, you have divisions, and you can assign teams, invite teams, manage teams. You can create a schedule, or you can edit a schedule. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to edit the schedule. And let's say for the novice boys. And it's basically fairly simple. You just, in this case, I'm going to have to go through and I'm going to have to select the novice boys. And now I can kind of edit a single team within that, or I can edit on a certain date, but I'm just going to look at the entire schedule. And you can see these are all the playing dates for the novice boys, and you can expand on the date and you see the matchups. Now there's two ways to edit. You can edit using what we call kind of our bulk edit, or you can edit line by line. And maybe I'll first show the bulk edit. So suppose I selected the date here, and now you can see all the games on that day are selected. And if I would go edit, then what I can do is now I can edit various things associated with those games, and the edit will apply to all of the matchup. So say I wanted to change the date from the 19th to the 26th. I would do that. I would say update, and the date would be changed to the 26th. I won't do that because I don't want to screw up my schedule. Or if I wanted to change the school, I would just type in another school, and you can see all the information will be updated for that school. Again, I'm not going to do that. So that's kind of the bulk edit, and you can edit multiple dates. So if I would do that and do the bulk edit, now any edits would be applied across all of these dates. I can also do a bulk delete. So if I would click delete, it would delete that particular date. So that's usually handy when a date falls on, say, Christmas or March break. You want to delete all the games on that day. You would generally use it for that. If you want to move, as I said, if you want to move these games to a future week, you just click on the bulk edit and you just say, I want to put these at the end of the season on the 25th of April. You can do that. So that's the way to do the bulk edits. Then you see these two other edit features here. This one here allows us to do inline edit. And the only thing that I've set up for the inline edit is the game times. So if you had to slightly adjust the game times, you just essentially do it there and cancel. If you need to adjust the teams, the matchups, what you would do is you'd select edit. It brings you up to a page, and essentially you would select the different teams that you want to. You can also change the dates and the times here, but I would probably not do that. And that's basically it for editing. It's quite a bit of flexibility, and yeah. If you have any questions, just send us an email, and we'll be happy to